Meaning of defiant.
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 Defiant. The word defiant refers to a person or group that resists authority or challenges the status quo. It implies an unwillingness to conform to rules or expectations that are deemed unjust or oppressive. Defiance can take many forms, such as passive resistance or active opposition. Those who are defiant may face consequences such as punishment or ostracism, but they may also inspire others to take action and effect change. Overall, defiance is a powerful force that can challenge oppressive systems and promote justice and equality.